right, here we go. One of my favorite days in the world. I get to get up on the big boy roof today and run the big boy chimney sweep through it. I say big boy because I have one that's like a plastic whip thing that goes from the inside up, but I want to make sure with the wire bristles going down that that's actually doing its job. I don't want to have a problem in the middle of winter. I'd rather get it solved now. So I got to go up to the barn here and get the shit and get ready to get up on not this roof, but wait, it's backwards. There we go. That roof. Got to get up on the big boy roof today. Here we go. All right, I got the hook on there, ready to roll so we can get it up on the roof. And then we got this totally OSHA approved disaster happening here so that my ladder doesn't continue to slip. And yeah, you know, we're just gonna put that up there now. All right, I got that fucker up there. It's hooked at the top, and now I gotta get up there and shimmy my ass over to the chimney and start cleaning that fucker out. Oh, the fun. Captain's log. I made it up. Fucking hate heights. But I took that ladder after I took the other ladder, and I made it up here. On the plus side, the view is spectacular. You can't beat the view from up here. On top of the world looking down. Now I gotta shimmy my ass over to that fucking thing. All right, hit the bottom. It definitely needed the chimney sweeping. But man, the view is beautiful up here. Definitely gorgeous. Fall is here, my friends. Total disclosure, I shimmied under that thing rather than trying to go around it. Yeah, I'm not that good. Nope, not that good, but I'm still alive. I couldn't really get a humping video, so this is the next best thing. All cleaned and back together. One last look around for the year because I'm not getting back up here again if I can help it. And back down the ladder system here. Wish me luck. I made it. Another year. I cleaned that fucking chimney. Got that thing shined up and ready for another use. I even got the ladder down already. Time for a happy dance.